Stealth car camping turns into days in room 239.
Two rooms put together.
So he's walking around checking it out and saying, wow. I'm opening up, trying to get some light. I'm wondering why that chair is right there. That's a weird place for a chair. Well, welcome to room 239, days in, Jekyll Island. Look, we got 2 big beds, 6 big pillows, a closet, a safe. Can you call it a closet if it doesn't have a door? Sure. TV, dresser, probably about my age. Just saying. What do we got over here? Wow! Full kitchen, pretty much. Well, that's that debate. Can you call it a full kitchen if it doesn't have a full fridge? But...
No, there's no oven.
Oh, okay. Is that the definition? And, yeah, dishes. A few dishes. What's in here? Oh, pate. And it sounds like we're taking off at the airport. Hi! Wow! Check this out. Alright, this handicap room. Did you ask for a handicap room? You did or you did not?
What?
Ask for a handicap room?
No.
Huh. So, wow. Separate living room.
That controls the kitchen light as well.
Alright. Oh, another dresser. Table and 3 chairs, the 4 chairs in there. That has to be a pull out, but I don't even know if I want to look. Yeah, no, I don't want to look. And then outside, let me see outside. Another TV, another closet, extra pillow and blanket. No cooking. Wow! Look at this view! Huh. And there's the heated pool. I wonder if that's the pool the kid was talking about in the restaurant. He said it's supposed to be heated, but that's funny. Whoa, this is beautiful. And what a big old balcony we have. Dang, this is the size of some rooms we've stayed in before. Huh. Well, there you go. There's your room tour. Days in Jekyll Island 239. I'll probably make this a separate video. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. And check out the full video of our weekend stealth camping. I'll link that up in the corner. Cool. I like it here. This is nice.